Hi, this is Stuart Scotthorn with the Long-Term Care Link. I want to talk to you today about something that very few of us ever want to talk about, which is long-term care. What is long-term care? What does it really mean to have a long-term care policy? In the most specific definition, that is really about what they call average daily living. There are 6 things that qualify whether or not you've got all 6 of those that you are doing or not. If 2 of those, and they're general things like, can you groom yourself? Can you get out of bed? Can you feed yourself? Those are the kind of ADLs they're looking at. So that will qualify you in a long-term care policy as someone qualified benefit. On a bigger scope, what are we really looking at when we think about that? We think about people that are put in a rest home. What we are finding now with most of our clients is they're not interested in saying, look, just find me a good rest home, because that's virtually impossible today for you to decide where you want to be. They want options of being in a position that they can decide where their care is going to take place. Most of them prefer that in their existing home. So in order to do that, there are some things that we need to take place. So that's really the what is long-term care, because long-term care is not covered by Medicare, and it takes a separate policy to be able to cover that benefit. Why long-term care? What we find is that particular cost is so much greater than what anybody had ever planned for, that even some of our clients that 20 years ago bought a long-term care policy, it's nowhere near enough to cover the monthly cost that's going out. What do I mean by this? Why? Well, then it means that the family is burdened with trying to figure out how to take care of that matriarch or patriarch that all of this family has loved on all of their lives. And the last thing they want to do is see them put into a place that they're just going to die. They want them to be engaged. And it's proven that if they are in an environment that can be stimulating, not only is their life longer, but it's much more fruitful. And very few of us want to just deposit the senior that we love so much into a place to watch them leave. So there's the what and the why. The how, I'd like to encourage you. The Benefit Link has been in business for over 30 years servicing retirees and trying to go ahead and help them in their health insurance, in their life insurance and annuity side. This happens to be part of what we do. Is we want to be able to educate our clients so you have the opportunity to make a decision how you want to handle this risk that's coming up. Unfortunately, there are only 3 people that I know that didn't have to go through the way of the grave, but look, you're going to end up either being Elijah, Jesus, or Enoch. The rest of us are going to go this way. And part of that process may be in a long-term care facility. That's what we want to be able to help you make that decision. So what I would encourage you to do, we have the ability to give you quotes to talk about the various products that are out there. And you have the ability to really empower yourself today to be able to handle those decisions. Please give us a call at the number listed below, and let's walk through your specific situation. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.